everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, I'm back with Baku Series 4.
Hi, Bra. Hi. 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 Ba, para ba? Ba. Ba. Ba, ഞാനിവിടെ swimming pool കാണൂ.
After our sweet time at the alpaca farm, we made our way to the scenic town of Gabala. We checked into a villa, cozy, spacious, with a pool, an outdoor dining area, and even rooms upstairs. Felt like a perfect chestnut style getaway spot. Come, let's have a look. After freshening up and grabbing some food, we knocked out for the night. Day 6, all set to explore Gabala. First on the list, the Lavender Fields. We were welcomed by bunches of lavender flowers. And a super friendly wine guy who suggested some spots to try out amazing wine later. Honestly, the color was subtle and natural, not filtered or fake, just real beauty. After a little freshen up stop, we were ready to dive into the fun activities there. Flower swings, moon swing, horse rides. photos and videos, and this day was just for us girls and totally worth it. Okay, day 7, we woke up, got ready, had a quick lunch, and headed straight to see the Yeddi Gozel Waterfall, one of Gabala's beautiful gem. Now listen, there are more than 100 steps to climb to reach the top. And nope, we didn't even make it halfway. But trust me, the view and the sound of the waterfall, the chirping birds, it was pure peace.
ஐயோ ஐயோ பூ பூ எடுக்குடா How do you feel?
Somehow we managed to reach here, and this waterfall even called us Seven Beauties. See, crystal clear water, freaking cold. And just wait till you see who hesitated to step in at first, but then ended up having the best time ever. We truly enjoyed every second there, nature at its finest. After all the splashing, we grabbed some baklava and chai with the waterfall view. Now, here's the thing, baklava in Baku is soft, nutty, and flaky. Just melts in your mouth, and the chai are always served hot and strong, perfect to sip with a view like that. As we climbed back down, we spotted few cute souvenir shops, adorable little threaded dolls, fridge magnets, and colorful knickknacks. Next stop, Nohur Lake. We did a quick outfit change and got into full fun mode. This is one of a small house, some doll, someone has been dressed up like a doll and to entertain the kids. First up, karting. My first time driving one and it was so cool. Come, let's see how we are rising.
നന്നായി ഇതൊക്കെ ഇട്ടുണ്ടോ അതിലായിരുന്നു എങ്ങനെ
Done. Then came the boxer mission. Shows your punching power. Let's just say some of us surprised ourselves.
എനിക്ക് വേണ്ട എന്റെ കൈ തന്നെ
അനു നീ റോഷനാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു പോയിടി. You'll see how much it is coming. ഞാനായിരിക്കും ഏറ്റവും പൊട്ട. ഈ ബോക്സ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. റോഷൻ. Come on, that's Roshan. എടാ little bit more than ചേച്ചി. ആണ്.
899 അല്ലേ നീ 844 847
ഞാൻ അത്രയും പോലും വരുമെന്ന് എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നില്ല. ഓക്കെ മാനം കാക്കണം അല്ലേ?
980
വരില്ലടി.
700 അല്ലേ വെച്ച്
മിസ്ഡ് ഇറ്റ്.
ഇല്ല
പോപ്കോൺ അല്ല, മറ്റേ After that, I got small but fun. And guess what? Zafu found her joy too. She sat on a remote control car and had her own little adventure. The whole place had such a pleasant vibe. Cafes, parlors, photo booths, and happy energy all around. We strolled around Nohur Lake with its peaceful water and glowing sky.
How do you say this?
Thank you very much.
It's actually 8 o'clock. Can you believe? Even at 8:30 p.m. the sun hadn't set yet. It was truly magical. As the day wound down, we slowly walked back to the exit, carrying hearts full of memories. That's a wrap for a Gabala adventure in the Baku series. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed living it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next Baku series. Until then, goodbye from Prini and Family. Bye-bye.